Hey everyone, Brad here from the 5150 Show. It's arrived, my 24 Nights box set, definitive box set. Andrew's kindly asked me to do an unboxing for the channel, so I'm going to do it right here, right now for you. I'm very excited. I've been waiting a long time for this, and I'm going to unbox it. Here we go. So, I'm going to be very careful that I don't damage my package here. And let's see, it's packaged very well. I hope you can see what I'm unboxing here. Yes. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that box. Look at that. I'm very excited, guys. Been waiting a very long time for this. 24 Nights Rock, 24 Nights Blues, and 24 Nights Orchestral. I got the 6 CD and 3 Blu-ray pack, 6 hours of music, and we're doing a deep dive on this on the 5150 Show. We start this Sunday, Saturday American time, Sunday Australian New Zealand time, and we are doing the Blues CD this Sunday, and we'll see how far we get in 2 hours. I'm thinking it's going to be a 2-part episode for the Blues. Let's unbox this and have a look inside. So I'll carefully cut through. Do this so you can see possibly. Okay. Take the film off. Very excited, guys. There we go. Look how beautiful this is. If you could just feel the texture of it. It's like it's done so well. The packaging. Okay, so here we go. We're going to unbox. Taking the lid off. There's nothing inside here. Wow. So inside we've got the lithograph, which that's going to end up being framed. Look at that. What a wonderful picture. My lithograph number is 1435. It's beautiful. So that's going to be framed. That will be framed. And the box itself has like a ribbon. So you lift this up. Wow. So it comes with the books. This looks fantastic. This is my first look at this, guys. I've seen other people unboxing this, but look at that. Looks beautiful, hey? I can't wait to have a look through this. 24 Nights. And here we have it. They come with a CD, double CD set, and the accompanying Blu-ray disc as well. That's wonderful. Definitely worth the wait. And I can't wait to deep dive into these on the 5150 channel and rank every single song on every single CD, Blu-ray. I'm extremely excited. I don't know if I can express it enough. 24 Nights is by far my favorite era of Eric Clapton, and I'm really looking forward to deep diving into this bad boy. Peace. Signing off. Bye.